Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of seize. Take hold of suddenly and forcibly. For example, she jumped up and seized his arm. The second definition of seize. Take an opportunity or initiative, eagerly and decisively. For example, he seized his chance to attack as Delaney hesitated. American pronunciation. Seize. Seize. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Seize. Say. Seize. Seize means take hold of suddenly. Seize. Seize. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He could not seize Rome and secure his logistic base. Now, repeat after me. He could not seize Rome and secure his logistic base. The second practice. He quickly seized her wrist and pinned it to her side. Now, repeat after me. He quickly seized her wrist and pinned it to her side.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.